Hello, hello. Okay, so as you see, we are in my Avon store. You're going to want to go, if you're shopping with me, go to my store. If you already have your representative, go to their store. The first thing you're going to want to do to claim your coupon is you have to sign in. Okay, so go ahead, click menu on the top left and click sign in at the very top. Now you can go ahead, you can sign in with Facebook if that's something you've done before, or just go ahead and sign in with your email and password. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly do that. So that is really important. You have to sign in. In order for you to even claim or start receiving Avon coupons from your representative, you have to create an account within his or her Avon store. Okay, so as you see in the top left corner, there is a little pink dot. That means you have a coupon that you can use and your Avon representative sent you one. If you do not see a little pink dot there, that means there's no coupon there. But let's go ahead and click there and you see it says view offers. That was not there before when we originally clicked on my online store. But now let's click on view offers and there it's telling me what the offer is. So it says, congrats, you have an offer for Marcella Tabarra Stevens. That's me. Only one code per order. And here it's telling me what it is. Free shipping with $50 order. It expires 5/23. And then the code that I can use. So I can go ahead and just click apply code to bag and I don't have to worry about adding it. So of course I have to make sure that $50 is in my cart in order for me to get free shipping. So that's the way coupons work with Avon. I wanted to show you all on mobile because I know most people shop on their phone. So I wanted to show you how simple it is to claim that coupon. So now let's go ahead and test it out to make sure it actually went through. I'm gonna go ahead, click on this bug guard. I'm gonna make sure I order a high quantity amount. Click the little bag in the top right, the shopping bag. Okay, so as you can see here, by ordering 6 of these bug guards, it's telling me my total is $53.94. Let's go ahead and scroll down. I'm getting those 3 free gifts. And here it's telling me, awesome, that code is already applied. I'm getting free shipping on $50 and now I can go ahead and check out. So see how simple it is? Also, don't forget when you're ordering, you can add a free brochure to your cart. That's something complimentary that you get from Avon. So go ahead and add that to your bag and it's right there if you want to go ahead and view the latest Avon brochure with your order. Check out, pay, and there you go. That's how you're going to claim your Avon coupon from your representative.